Welcome to our channel. ZRLOGIN Wi-Fi Extender Setup. Plug it in. Start by plugging the ZRLOGIN extender into a wall socket near the router. Don't pick a far corner, it needs a strong signal for the first setup. Wait for the power light. The power light should be solid. If it's blinking non-stop, hit the reset button for about 10 seconds with a pin or paperclip. Then wait again till the light goes solid. Connect to the extender network. On a phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for a new network name and connect to it. No password needed yet. Once it connects, don't switch back to mobile data. Open the setup page. Now open a browser and type 192.168.10.1 in the address bar. Hit enter. That's the extender's login page. Log in. The default login is usually admin for both username and password. Type it in and hit login. If that doesn't work, check the label on the back, sometimes it's printed there. Choose your home Wi-Fi. You'll see a list of nearby networks. Pick the main home Wi-Fi you want to extend. Enter your Wi-Fi password exactly. Set the extended name. After that, it'll ask for the new extended network name. You can leave it as home Wi-Fi_ext, or rename it to something simple. Save and reboot. Click apply or save. The extender will reboot on its own. Don't unplug it yet. Wait about a minute until the lights stop flashing. Move it to the right spot. Once the reboot's done, unplug the extender and move it halfway between your router and the weak signal area. That's the sweet spot, close enough to the main Wi-Fi but far enough to boost. Connect devices. Now go back to your phone or laptop and connect to the new extended Wi-Fi name you created. Enter the same Wi-Fi password. Run a speed test and that's it, setup is done. That's the whole ZRLOGIN extender setup. Thank you for watching.